best friend Milo.
Milos wanted to give you a video happy birthday update. Oh, there he goes.
Milos, say hi to Cassie. Say hi to Cassie.
Oh.
Oh, precious face.
It got in my eye.
No, it's okay. Well, we just wanted to post a video to wish you a happy 27th birthday. Yeah. And I hope you're doing something really fun in Mongolia and,
27 shots of vodka. We wish we could do this for you, but sadly, Emily's on painkillers.
I can't drink. I don't even know who I am anymore. Anyways, we love you and we miss you very much.
Miss you.
Milo's going to town on his snake.
Just for you. Maybe he'll hump it in your honor.
27 times. Okay, hearts.